So if you did the hamster combat airdrop and you are very disappointed in that, or you are looking for the next big airdrop like dogs or Notcoin, then I present to you a new project called Spell Wallet Airdrop. Now this Spell Wallet project just started, is a very new project, right? And they have raised over $30 million for their airdrop. But they have people, not many people have heard about this project yet. So I'm bringing this project to you, right? This update to you right now. So make sure you get on this project. I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get started on this project. The link will be in my description box below, right? They have raised about $30 million and they have still have below 3 million users, right? So not many people have started farming this project. So you are very early. If you have not started Spell Wallet Trade, this is the opportunity. Get started right now. You can make potentially $200, even $500 from this project. So guys, take this very seriously and don't joke with it. Click the link in the description and let's get straight into the tutorial on how to start farming this project. So if you click on the link, it should bring you to this page, the Spell Wallet. So you click on start, or you click on this wallet app. It will load up the Spell Wallet page. Now basically is like a mining project. So as you can see here, it shows 5 hours 25 minutes. So I just started. I have just 2 spell points, right? And if I come back after 5 hours, I'll be able to claim what I've mined. So right here saying tap to boost. If I click on tap to boost, I will need to boost. I can boost my kini. Yeah, it right here says automatically claims mana for 24 hours. So but I need 0.2 of that. I've boosted it, so it has increased my claim time to 24 hours instead of just 6 hours, right? Now if you check up here, it shows like a daily check-in. So today is day 1 because I told you guys I just started today. So if you log in every day for 6 days, this wheel of fortune will be unlocked and you can get a price. So I don't know exactly what the price is going to be yet. Another thing you can do in this project is to come to the quest. By the time you come to the quest here, there are a lot of quests here for you to do. Here it says join cats and dogs to get 2 spell points, daily puzzle, like and retweet. Make sure you complete all these quests, right? There's some challenges here too. So if there's some you can do, this one are basically education, crypto education. So you can watch the videos and basically learn and earn spell points as you learn. Then you come over here to NFTs. They have a marketplace over here. So if you have money, you can get some of these NFTs. I've not really gotten anyone yet. You can use your spell points. This one now is 1,182 spell points. And I just have 2 of it right here. So the more spell points you have, the more NFTs you can get. Then if you come over to clans, you can join a clan and you can create your own clan. Right? So I've not joined any clan yet, but I will still look at joining one clan later on. Then finally over here is friends. So if you have friends, you can invite your friends. As you can see here, 1 friend you get 3 spell points, 10 friends get 15 spell points. You get 100 friends, you have 150 points, right? So and the more friends you have, the more points you get. So that's basically it for this spell. Make sure you gather up as much spell points as you can get and be eligible for this airdrop. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you just log in to your app, claim every 6 hours, right? And do the tax, the daily combo, basically all the things I've explained in the tutorial. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video.